Today I'm going to show you how to get your 1000 subscribers without doing sub for sub, without paying any money to get your 1k subscribers. This strategy is a very easy strategy. That is the same strategy I use to get my 1000 subscribers. If you check my page, if you go to my page, if you were with me like some months ago, you will know that I was on, I think, like 300 or 200 about a month ago or a few weeks ago. I was on 200 or 300 subscribers, but now I've completed my 1000 subscribers using this very trick I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. Okay. So my screen is up now. So I'll go over to Instagram. So check for any viral video. So I'll take this cooking video.
You guys are always disrespecting shower fish on this app, and I'm just always looking at you because what do you guys mean by shower is not a top tier fish? Shower.
So
Have you tried shower in authentic concoction rice?
I'm going to copy.
I say it's not concussion, that is concoction. Eh? Have you tried it?
So I've copied the link. Now I will head over to my browser. So then I'll type Instagram downloader. Okay, so I'm going to use make use of this first one here that is showing, and I'll paste the link. So once I download this video now, okay, I think it's still downloading. I'm still downloading the video. I'm just making use of that video because of this tutorial. You can use any video. You can use a video in your niche. So but for this tutorial, I'm just making use of that video. Okay, so it's downloading. Usually when you're downloading the video on this platform, adverts usually come up, so you have to, like, move away from the advert or remove the advert, or you can allow it to display. Okay, it has downloaded already. The video has already downloaded. So let me head over to my YouTube. So now we head over to YouTube. You can use your YouTube Studio or use your normal YouTube. I'm going to use my normal YouTube app. So click on this. So go to shorts because our video is a short video. Just wait for it to come up. So like I said, you can use any video of your choice. You can pick a video from your niche if you like, or you can use a random video. For me, I use random video, depending on the one that will go viral.
You guys are always disrespecting shower fish on this app.
I'll click on done. So I'll just wait for it to process. Once it's finished processing, Then we'll move on to the next step. I don't know why this thing is delaying like this. So slow. Okay, so I'll click on this arrow here.
You guys are always disrespecting shower fish on this app, and I'm just always looking
You
at
write
you.
something. If you want to write something, you click on this alphabet here. I'm
Because
not
what
going
do you
to write
guys mean by
anything, so
shower
I
is
just click on next. So here you can write anything, you can put any caption, but I'm just going to put short feed. So once I'm done with that, then I'll upload. Yes, so that's it. So if you want to get good results on this, if you want to get good results, post like 10 shots every day using this method. Come back and thank me later. Yes, after trying this method, let's say just give yourself 3 weeks or 1 month while using this method. Be posting 10 videos every day, 10 shots every day, 10 shots every day. Then you will come back and tell me the results. In fact, just come back and tell me thank you in the comment section. So that's it. Bye.